In this step, we'll be sewing on the jacket buttons. So your jacket has, the jacket front piece has guidelines marked for where to put the buttons. And you can see the difference between the wrong side and the right side. You want to push your needle up through from the back or wrong side of the work to the front or right side of the work. And then I'm going to actually just put my needle just dangling there on my button right there dangling on the needle, and then pull it through so that the knot is on the back side and the thread is coming up through the guideline on the front side. Then I'm going to push back down through that buttonhole and right back into the guideline. It doesn't have to be into the same hole that you came out of when you were stitching your thread, but it does need to be inside of that guideline. If you keep your stitches within that little circle guideline, your button will be in the right place and it'll be straight. So you want to go ahead and just continue pushing your needle up through one hole of the button and down through the other hole of the button, making sure that your needle is pushing down through that little circle guideline in the fabric to the back side of the work. So it's coming out the guideline hole in the back. And then you just want to find a spot to go back up through into the guideline. And then come up through one hole and down through the other hole. Right back through that circle guideline. And you want to do that 3 or 4 times just to make sure that that button is sturdy. I think I'm going to do maybe one more time. Up and down. Once it feels pretty sturdy, after putting 3 or 4 stitches in it, I'm going to go ahead and tie an ending knot in the back. I'm going to do it just the way I've done it before, where I catch a small piece of the fabric just on the back side, not all the way through. And then I'm going to create a little loop. I'm going to push my needle through that loop one time and a second time. And I'm going to pull it snug up against the fabric to make a knot. Then I'll use my scissors to clip that piece off. You don't want to clip the thread too close to the knot or the knot can come unraveled. So be sure to leave a little tail. And there you go. That's how you sew on the button for this jacket. You have 2 other buttons to sew, one in each of the other guidelines. And there you have it.